Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, we're diving into DTC P0101, mass or volume air flow, circuit range/performance. If your check engine light is on and this code shows up on your scanner, don't worry, we'll walk you through what it means, what causes it, symptoms to watch for, and how to fix it. What is code P0101? The P0101 code means that the signal from the mass air flow sensor, or MAF sensor, is outside the expected range. Your vehicle's computer relies on this sensor to calculate how much air is entering the engine, which it uses to determine the correct amount of fuel to inject. If the reading is too high or too low compared to other sensor inputs, the ECU flags a P0101 code. This can lead to drivability problems, poor fuel economy, and even failed emissions tests. Here are the typical symptoms when the MAF sensor isn't working properly. Of course, the check engine light comes on. You may feel the engine hesitate, misfire, or run rough, especially during acceleration. Fuel economy drops, sometimes dramatically. You might notice reduced engine power or even stalling. In extreme cases, black smoke may come out of the exhaust due to a rich fuel mixture. The most common cause of P0101 is a dirty or faulty MAF sensor, but it doesn't stop there. Here's a list of possible culprits. Dirty MAF sensor, dust, oil, or debris on the sensor wires can cause inaccurate readings. Faulty MAF sensor, over time, these sensors wear out and send bad signals. Vacuum or intake leaks, if air bypasses the sensor due to a cracked hose or loose intake boot, the reading will be off. Dirty or clogged air filter, restricts airflow and changes the expected sensor range. Wiring issues, broken, shorted, or corroded MAF sensor wiring or connector. Aftermarket intakes, sometimes these alter airflow enough to confuse the ECU, especially if not properly calibrated. Let's go over how to diagnose and fix a P0101 code. Step-by-step guide. Inspect the air filter. If it's clogged, replace it. Check for vacuum leaks, listen for hissing sounds or use a smoke machine around the intake system. Clean the MAF sensor, use MAF-specific cleaner. Do not touch the wires or use carb cleaner. Check the MAF sensor wiring, look for corrosion, frayed wires, or loose connections. Use live data on a scan tool, compare MAF readings at idle and at higher RPMs. A typical reading at idle is around 2 to 7 grams per second, and it increases with RPM. Replace the MAF sensor if cleaning doesn't help and readings are still erratic. After replacing or cleaning, reset the code with a scan tool and test drive the car to confirm the fix. While P0101 won't leave you stranded on the side of the road, it can hurt performance, fuel economy, and emissions. So don't ignore it, and don't just clear the code without fixing the root cause. If this video helped you understand the P0101 code, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car code breakdowns, maintenance tips, and DIY fixes. Thanks for watching, and happy wrenching.